Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to recover your line password. All right, let's begin. First, open the Line app. You'll see the login screen. Choose Login. On the next page, you can log in either with a QR code or by choosing another method. To recover your line password, use any login option you previously set up when creating your account. You can sign in using your phone number, Apple ID, or Google account. If you select Google, tap on it, and an OTP, one-time password, will be sent to your email. Open your email, copy the code, and return to the app to enter it. Once verified, you'll regain access to your account and can reset your password. So that's basically how you can recover your line password. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.